The next topic we'll be covering are testing strategies. Local tests are written by developers to test individual components or modules before they are integrated into the larger system. They ensure that each piece of code functions correctly in isolation. There are various tools and frameworks available for writing local tests, such as MSTest, NUnit, or XUnit. For example, using MSTest, you might test a method in a class that calculates the sum of two numbers. The test checks whether the method returns the correct result when adding two integers. Unit tests focus on validating the functionality of individual methods or classes in isolation, identifying bugs, and ensuring code behaves as intended. Microsoft DevOps Solutions supports MSTest, NUnit, and XUnit for these tests. Unit tests are narrowly focused, while local tests can be broader or refer to the environment in which a variety of tests are performed. Using NUnit, consider a test for a service that retrieves a list of items. The test verifies that the list is not empty and contains the expected number of items. Integration tests assess the interaction between two or more components of the application to ensure they work together as expected. These are important for catching issues that unit tests might miss. Using NUnit, an integration test could check the interaction between two services where one service uses data provided by another. Load tests evaluate the performance of the system under a significant load, which could be simulated users or transactions. They help to identify the capacity limits and scalability of the application. In a load test scenario in Azure DevOps, you could simulate multiple users accessing a service to test its performance and capacity. So that's an overview of the main types of testing strategies.